In the previous module, we discussed the core concepts of property valuation, including market value, the role of the appraiser, and the three primary appraisal approaches. Now let's apply those concepts using Arizona-style exam questions. These questions will help reinforce how valuation concepts appear on the real estate licensing exam. Let's begin. Question 1. What does the term market value refer to in real estate? A. The price originally paid for the property. B. The most probable price a property would sell for in a competitive and open market. C. The assessed value determined by the county for tax purposes. D. The cost of rebuilding the property. The correct answer is B. Market value is the most probable price a property would sell for in a competitive market when both the buyer and seller are well informed and acting in their own best interest. Let's try another question. Question 2. Which professional is responsible for performing a formal appraisal for a mortgage lender? A. The listing agent. B. The escrow officer. C. The licensed appraiser. D. The property inspector. The correct answer is C. A licensed appraiser performs the appraisal and provides an opinion of the property's value based on recognized appraisal methods. Now let's look at appraisal approaches. Question 3. Which appraisal method estimates property value by comparing recently sold properties with similar characteristics? A. Cost approach. B. Income approach. C. Sales comparison approach. D. Replacement approach. The correct answer is C. The sales comparison approach estimates value by analyzing recent sales of comparable properties and adjusting for differences between those properties and the subject property. This approach is commonly used for residential real estate. Now let's review another appraisal method. Question 4. Which appraisal approach is most commonly used to estimate the value of income-producing properties such as apartment buildings? A. Sales comparison approach. B. Income approach. C. Cost approach. D. Depreciation approach. The correct answer is B. The income approach estimates property value based on the income the property generates. Investors frequently rely on this method when evaluating rental properties and commercial real estate. Let's try one more question. Question 5. What does the term highest and best use refer to? A. The most expensive improvement that can be added to the property. B. The legal and most profitable use of the property. C. The most common use of property in the surrounding neighborhood. D. The use preferred by the current owner. The correct answer is B. Highest and best use refers to the most profitable legal use of the property that is physically possible, financially feasible, and maximally productive. Understanding how appraisers determine property value will help you answer many questions on the Arizona Real Estate Licensing exam. In part 3 of this topic, we'll review memory tools and common exam traps related to appraisal methods and valuation concepts. If you're serious about becoming a licensed real estate agent in Arizona and want mentorship beyond just passing the exam, connect with me. I'm building a team of well-trained professionals who want to build their careers the right way.